Hello everyone, my name is Noisy, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to TP. In order to TP, you need to know the X, Y, and Z. You can see in my top left, we have the first number, which is 25, that's the X. 4 is a Y, and Z is 13. They, depending on where I'm at in the world, it will change. That's kind of how the position works. And today I'm going to be teleporting from these two positions to these two blocks. So here's how you actually type it out. So first, what you want to do is you actually want to do /TP. Then next, what you want to do is you want to actually show who's going to be teleported where, or what's going to be teleported. Because you can also teleport entities. So let's TP the Hitakiri, which is my current username, and let's TP it to 49, 4, 13. Now, if my position had a negative in it, you just put the negative sign right in front of the number. Anyways, by pressing enter, I'm now magically on this block. You can see in the top left, it tells me I got teleported. Now, you can obviously teleport in higher and lower positions, so this is just a example, even though you probably already know this. So /TP. Who am I going to be TPing? Well, that's going to be me. And I'm going to be TPing to 49, 10, 9. Yeah, so you can use the show coordinates. Just stand on the block you want to teleport to, and you can use this as a way to maneuver out through your world. Anyways, that's all for this video. If I missed anything, please tell me in the comments, and you can also tell me what command you want to know next. Thank you for watching. My name's Noisy, and I'm out.